In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the Inkscape version installed on your computer. Knowing your exact version is important when you're following tutorials, troubleshooting issues, or making sure you're using the latest features available in Inkscape. The good news is that checking the version number only takes a few seconds, and there are a couple of simple ways to do it. I'll walk you through both methods step by step so you can quickly find the information you need. And if this quick tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Inkscape tips and tutorials. Let's get started. The first place you can usually see the Inkscape version is directly on the welcome screen. When you open Inkscape, the welcome screen normally appears before you start working on a document. On this screen, you'll see helpful information like recent files, templates, and quick start options. Somewhere on that welcome window, you will also find the version number displayed. This tells you exactly which release of Inkscape you are currently running. This is the fastest way to check the version if you have just launched the software and the welcome screen is visible. But sometimes you might close the welcome screen automatically, or you may have disabled it from appearing when Inkscape starts. In that case, there is another very easy way to check your version directly from the menu bar. To do this, go to the top menu in Inkscape and click on Help. Inside the Help menu, look for the option called About Inkscape and click on it. As soon as you select this option, a new window will pop up on your screen. This window contains detailed information about the software, including the exact version number and the build details for your installation. This is the most reliable place to confirm the exact version you are using. The About window is especially useful if you are reporting a bug, asking for help online, or checking whether you need to update to a newer version. Many tutorials and extensions also require specific versions of Inkscape, so knowing where to find this information can save you a lot of time. While we're here, there's one more useful tip you should know, especially if you recently updated Inkscape and something doesn't seem to be working correctly. Sometimes after an update, settings from older versions can cause small issues or unexpected behavior. If that happens, you can reset your preferences inside Inkscape. To do this, go to the top menu again and click Edit. Then select Preferences. Inside the Preferences window, navigate to the System section. Here you'll find the Reset Preferences option, which allows you to refresh your settings after an update. This can often fix small glitches and help Inkscape run smoothly again. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your Inkscape version using the welcome screen or the help menu, and you also learned where to reset your preferences if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Inkscape tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.